Alrighty. We are back. What is up, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? Man, I know you guys have been like, man, what happened to bro? Man, he done disappeared on us. No, man, it was my birthday weekend, man. Y'all caught me on the day I started going crazy. And then on top of that, freaking our bike wasn't even done. So I was like, you know what? I at least want our stuff shipped out. If our bike is not done, we can't have our bike not done and our stuff not shipped out. I forgot I'm in. Oop, I don't want to hit his mirror with my little GoPro. I forgot I'm in LA. I can split lanes all day now. But anywho, we are here, Los Angeles, California, man. I'm about to actually get some gas and stuff real quick before we start our festivities. But if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate that. And let me know where y'all tuning in the comments below, man. How this thing look under these LA skies. But anywho, I know you guys are looking for the giveaway, man. I'm trying to get all of this stuff shipped out at least before we go live and do a giveaway. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, you still got time to do so right now. Head on over to that'sregular.com. Green. Give me green. Give me green. Oh my God. But anywho, as soon as we get these orders shipped out when I get back, all the orders shipped out, and then when I get back, the bike should actually be pretty much complete. We're still waiting on our turbo to come in the mail. I guess it's like one piece for the turbo kit that's actually on back order. That's actually on back order, so we're waiting for that one little piece on our turbo. But we're actually, like, being out here in LA, we should be able to find a radio. I found one last time out here, but I had a bunch of other parts that I had grabbed as well, so didn't want to freaking spend too much money doing that. But all in all, we do got it situated. We do got it situated now. We do got it situated now. See, I want to split, but I ain't trying to hit nobody mirror with my camera. Let's see what we got. Let me see. I need to get some E85. I wonder if the tire shop is still open. Oh, they said you got to be there by 4 to change the tire anyway. Oh. Yes, sir. Y'all want a shot at winning that turbo thing, man? You still got action. Everything is still $19 on the site right now. We still got a little bit of things left on the website at that. We still got a few items left on the website, man. So if you guys haven't purchased a wallet or everything regular mask, go do so right now while you can. Y'all know what time it is. It's about to go yeah, man. We out here in Los Angeles, California. About to make it about to make it happen, man. About to make it do what it do, baby. About to make it do what it do, baby. Woo! And then, you know, being out here in LA, man, this weather is a lot cooler than where the bike been at and getting tuned and everything. So it actually might run a little bit better out here. I'm not sure, but we definitely gonna check it out and see what's going on. Gotta give me some little E85 and we should be on the road ready to go, man. Meanwhile, y'all stay tuned, man. Today is the first day of Rare Breed, so it should be pretty fun, man. We about to go slide to my boy Built by Dre house, and then after that we gonna slide to Rare Breed and we gonna catch y'all out there and see what they got for us, man. See what they got for us. I think be skipping neutral sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. See, look, it skipped neutral again. There we go. Let's see what we got, man. If y'all just now tuning in, man, make sure you like the video for your boy. I definitely appreciate it. We are back. I've been celebrating my birthday. Not only that, man, I've been driving out to the West Coast. So after my birthday was over the weekend, man, Sunday night, or Monday morning rather, hopped in the car and headed out. So I couldn't do the live that Monday like we typically usually do. So I know if some of you guys are looking for us, don't worry, you're still locked in, you're still good to go. I know you're gonna be wondering and all that, but it's all good. I got you covered, brother. You got your entries. Like I said, if you missed out on the entry, you can still go get some right now, live on the site, that'sregular.com. As soon as this light change, we get gas, man, we can hit the freeway and be out this piece. Come. A beast from the Middle East. A beast from the Middle East. I think I want to call all the shots. A beast from the Middle East. Alright, y'all, let's find this E80 fizzle. Get some gizzle. And we should be straight. Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening, you know? Yes, sir. Fill me on up, Jack. Fill me on up, Jack. Oh yeah, we good. Good E85-ish. Let's slide this thing now. Let's slide that John now, man. We should be good to roll out. Oh. And get on right here to get off. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Hit that gas and get in the wind. I'm just about to bust a U-turn right now. Otherwise, I'd be all the way up there. Luckily, I ain't going that way. Y'all know LA traffic out here is insane. Come on, come. Yes, sir. Everybody gotta take their sweet fucking time. Alright, let's go the right way. How about that? How low can I go before it's scraped? Let's go. This thing is ready. It's ready to hit them corners on Daytonas. You know what I'm talking about, man? This thing is ready to hit them corners on Daytonas, if you know what I mean, man. Buddy bud. Oh my God. Of course the 18-wheeler trying to cut everybody off. It's insane. Oh. Bring this in a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. I was trying to bring it in a little bit because I'm about to cut. Be good now, y'all. Maybe not. Y'all want to split lanes? Thank you. 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 Whoops. So much freaking traffic. I just had to pick the freeway on a traffic day, or at the traffic time rather. Golly. See if I can get through here. Whoops. I want to engage this speed. Let me see. But I can engage a little bit. Right over here. It's called engage. Engaging that boost. Tells you this thing ready to go. Like literally just on standby. It's like, yeah, bro, call in the F-13s, man. We got action. They gonna get there quick, fast, and in a hurry. You know how they just be up in the air just chilling? That's basically what we got right here. Basically what we got right here, man. Shit sounds so fine, don't you agree? Should I get hit with a rock behind this truck? Meanwhile, I'm still getting used to the bike, y'all. So I'm not really swerving how I really like known to swerve today. But still timing the bike out with the power engagement and all that. Bro, you in a far right lane, getting left. Like, come on, figure out what you want to do, gang. Let's see if we got some tunes today. Is it gonna play anything for us? Yes, sir. Go.